Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another virtual class. I hope all of you are enjoying winter by staying at homes. Students, I am pretty sure that you people have done with the previous worksheet of dialogue writing as that was creative and hopefully you have enjoyed it a lot. Now our today's topic is also attention capturing, but it doesn't deal with creativity. It is about learning and good memory as well. So students, let's start our today's topic, that is abbreviation worksheet number 15, and it is on page number 61. Students, in this video you will learn that what is abbreviation, why we use abbreviation, what are rules of writing and pronouncing abbreviation. I hope you will enjoy the lecture and will get maximum of it. Now come to the proper definition of abbreviation. A group of letters resulting from shortening a word by removing letters or by using first few letters of the word. How can we get the abbreviated form of the word? Yes, by removing some of the letters. And this removing may occur from the center of the word or it may occur from the end of the word. So some of the letters are removed from the center or from the end. Now you can notice this from the given examples. Number 1, senior. In this, the central letters are removed. Number 2, Sunday. In this example, the ending letters are removed, and same in the third one, the ending letters are removed. I hope students that you have understood that how a word can be abbreviated. Now it is the question that what gets abbreviated? Yes, there are a lot of things which we can abbreviate. First of all, look at the titles of the people. We can abbreviate titles of the people. Yes, Mr., Junior, Doctor, Senior. How they are abbreviated? Yes, all of these are abbreviated by removing the central letters, and it is important to write dot in these titles. When you are abbreviating the titles of the people, you have to put dot at the end and the first letter will be capital. Now similarly, months of the year can also be abbreviated like January, February, March, and some other months are also abbreviated. Now you can observe that how the months of the year can be abbreviated. Yes, by removing the last letters of the word and putting dot at the end. Dear students, you can see some more examples. Days of the week. The days of the week can also be abbreviated like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Other days are also be abbreviated. And how they abbreviated? Yes, by removing the last letters and putting dot. These slides have a lot of examples for your better understanding. Now addresses can also be abbreviated like street, road, lane, avenue, court, highway. You have seen these abbreviations on the road. Yes, whenever you are going to fill a form, you have not enough space to write the whole word. So when you are going to write your address, you have to abbreviate some of the words like street, lane, etc. So it is helpful when there is no much space. Similarly, like the titles of people, days of the week, months of the year, and addresses, we can also abbreviate some words related to the time like hour, minute, and week. You can observe all these in the slide, and I hope you have met them during your paper or examination. Students, I hope you have learned enough about abbreviation and you have understood it very well. Now come to another definition which is very near to abbreviation, which is of acronyms. Now, what are acronyms? An acronym is formed from the first letter of a group of words, usually capitalized. Students, here you are going to learn a different thing from abbreviation. In acronyms, we take the first letter of every word in the group of words and write it with capital letters. The examples are in front of you. Number one example is AIDS. Actually, this word AIDS is the acronym of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is a viral disease. Another example, radar, is a radio detection and ranging. UNICEF, yes, it is for United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. Okay, this is the organization which provide fund in the emergency situations, especially for children. It was established after the World War II. And the next example is laser. You have heard about it, that a cancer patient is going through the laser treatment. So what is laser? What is laser? What it stands for? Yes, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Now students, you are thinking that why we use abbreviation. Actually, abbreviations are used to make writing and communicating easier by shortening the form of the word or phrase. How is it possible? How we use abbreviation? Yes, maybe you have met the situation when you are asked to do something like to write your address, but you have not enough space to write it, and you use the abbreviations of street, avenue, house number, etc. So, abbreviations are used to shorten the form of the word, and sometimes for easy communication, like if there are so many diseases which are used as abbreviation, and why we use its abbreviation or acronym to easy to communicate easily, like AIDS. It is not possible to speak acquired immunodeficiency syndrome every time. Now students, let's move to the very interesting and important part of this topic, which is about rules. So what are the rules of writing and pronouncing abbreviation? Look at the rule number 1. Most abbreviations begin with a capital letter and end with a period. So you can observe this in the given examples. Yes, January, road, captain, all of these examples, in all of these examples, there is a capital letter and a period at the end. Now look at the rule number 2. Most acronyms can be written as capital letters or with only initial capital letters, like UNESCO. So every initial letter of the word is written in capital letter. Okay students? Rule number 3. Abbreviation is written differently from the expanded form, but it is pronounced the same, like Mr. February. Students, in abbreviation, the word in the written form is different from as it is pronounced. Okay, so its pronunciation is different than its written form. Like in the written form, it is Feb, but we do not call it Feb. We always speak February. So the pronunciation of abbreviation and acronyms are different. Now look at the rule number 4, which is acronym. Acronyms are pronounced like a regular words like NATO and radar. We will not call NATO as NATO. Yes, we will call it as a whole word NATO. Okay, students, you have to remember this. Now, students, here you have a table in front of you through which you can learn the difference between acronyms and abbreviations. I hope some of differences you have in your mind, but now come to this table. That acronym is a type of abbreviation where a new word is formed from the first letters of a series of words. As I have told you, for example, AIDS, UNICEF, laser, UNESCO, etc. Now, on the other hand, abbreviation refers to any shortened or contracted form of a word or phrase. Abbreviation is of a single word like January, Sunday, road, etc. But on the other hand, acronym is obtained from the group of words by taking the initial letters from each word. Okay, what is the second difference? Pronounced as a separate word like laser. It is pronounced as a differently from its original form. On the other hand, some abbreviations are not pronounced as new words. Yes, they remain same, like January in its abbreviated form will be speak similarly January. Okay, third point, all acronyms are abbreviations. Yes, acronyms are the type of abbreviation. All acronyms are abbreviations as they are the shortened form of the phrase. But on the other hand, but not every abbreviation is an acronym. Yes, every acronym is abbreviation, but not every abbreviation is acronym. Okay, you have to remember these 3 important points. Now students, here we are going to learn some acronyms and abbreviations which are in our daily routine and we use it commonly. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. SIM card, subscriber identification module. Yes, this is that SIM card which we use in our cell phones. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. PDF, portable document format. ATM, automated teller machine. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Google, Global Organization of Oriented Group, Language of Earth. Yahoo, yet another hierarchical official oracle. Windows, wide interactive network development for office work solution. Virus, viral infection resources lender siege. UPS, uninterrupted power supply. USB, universal serial bus. CCTV, closed circuit television. CID, crime investigation department. CV, curriculum vitae. CNG, compressed natural gas. DIG, deputy inspector general. MBA, Master of Business Administration. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. All these are the names of the degrees which are awarded to the students after the end of the program. NGO, Non-Governmental Organization. OK, Ola Kala are all correct. OPD, Outpatient Department. WWW, World Wide Web. AMNT, Meridium. PM, Post Meridium. FATA, Federally Administered Tribal Areas. MMS, Multimedia Messaging Service. SOS, Save Our Souls. Date, Day and Time Evolution. PIN, Personal Identification Code. GHQ, General Headquarters. Students, I hope you have get enough acronyms and abbreviations to learn? Now students, after learning enough acronyms and abbreviations, I hope you are eager to use them. Now here is the activity. You have to match the abbreviations with its full form. Yes, in column A there is full form and in column B there are abbreviations. You have to match the correct one. Yes, doctor, yes, DR at the end of the table, you have to match it. Street, yes, it is the second last. ST dot. Avenue, yes, before street, avenue. Mr, yes, before avenue, MR dot. Sunday, yes, you have to match it. It is right after the its full form. January, before Sunday, it's January, JN. Captain, I hope you have done it. Centimeters, road, RD dot, November. Yes, it's very easy, and you have noticed that all the abbreviated forms are in capital letter and there is a period at the end. Now here is another activity which is of writing the full form of the abbreviations or acronyms. Yes, write down the full form of following acronyms. Number 1 is BBC. Yes, it stands for British Broadcasting Corporation. ATM, automatic teller machine. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. UPS, uninterrupted power supply. CNG, compressed natural gas. GHQ, General Headquarters. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. NGO, non-governmental organization. USB, Universal Serial Bus. CID, Crime Investigation Department. Now student, here is another activity which is very interesting. Activity number 3. Rewrite each sentence using abbreviations. Now read the question very carefully that you have to rewrite the sentence after making sure that you have put the abbreviation. Yes. Last January, Dr. Edward fixed my broken arm. Now, what are the words which we can abbreviate? Yes, January and doctor. These both can be abbreviated. Number 2, Mr. Jackson lives on the corner of 4th Avenue and River Road. Okay, Mr. we can abbreviate Mr. We can abbreviate Avenue. We can abbreviate Road. Next, Mark Jr. had his birthday on Saturday, September 15. Yes, what are the words which can be abbreviated? Yes, Junior and September. Yes, also Saturday. Then number 4, John Jacob Sr. was the head of household. Yes, here we can abbreviate senior. Number 5, her dad is the governor of California. Yes, governor can be abbreviated. Professor Henry is the best science teacher ever. Yes, here we can abbreviate the designation professor and the name of the subject science. Good. Students, I hope you have understood this. So students, I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. It is all about abbreviation. The PDF of this topic will be provided to you. You have to write neat and clean on your workbooks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.